Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all the recipe of Masoor ki dal or red lentils. Very easy and delicious to eat. It doesn't require too much effort. So for making this I'm using 2 cup of dal. After washing, soak the dal for 2 to 3 hours till it becomes little bit soft. Now the ingredients that I've used are these. I'll list down in the description box below. You can see it. After the lentils has been soaked in water, I'll boil the lentils in 3 cups of water and then I'll just mush it down till the texture is no more coarse. It's soft in texture as you can see. Now I'll keep this aside and I'll start preparing the tadka. Other pan I'm using 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, I will add whole cumin seed, mustard seed and whole chilli and I'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll add my onions. I'll fry the onion till it becomes golden brown. Then goes the sliced garlic. I'll saute the garlic with onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Following this, I will add the tomatoes and I'll just give it a light stir so that everything gets mixed well. Then I'll add salt and all the spices that I've written in the description box below. I'll add the spices and I'll saute everything together for 5 minutes in very low flame, and then I will add a little bit of water so that the masala gets cooked, not too much, just half a cup of water. I will just cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes until the masala has released its oil and is dried up a little bit. As you can see, it's not sticking to the pan anymore. It became a gooey like structure. Now I will add the boiled dal and I'll just mix everything together. Can you see the change in the color of the dal? It looks very delicious. Now I added a very little bit of water because I like my dal to be thick. So the dal has been boiling here since 10 minutes in medium flame. Now I'll just top it up with some fresh chopped coriander leaf. This is the correct consistency that I want. If you want it more thick, you can cook it for a little bit more time. Here the dal is ready. It's very delicious, very easy and tasty. Very less ingredients are required to make this dal. I'll just top it up with some fresh ghee. And here it's ready. If you guys like my recipe, please comment, share, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.